Hello everyone. Happy weekend. Sorry for the disruption. I hope you're good and I hope you had a great week. So we just ended the first week of the month, NFP week, and we're about to commence the second week of the month. So give thanks to the Lord for the week, for his blessings and all. So without further ado, let's see what news events affected the first week of the month and what news events are we expecting for the new week. So these are the news events for the first week of the month for June. So we had news on Monday, we had news on Tuesday, we had news on Wednesday, we had news on Thursday, and we had the main event of the week on Friday, non-farm payroll. This one around 12:30 p.m. So for the new week, we'll be having CPI week. So Monday there's nothing. Tuesday, hold on a bit. Think euro and pound. So here we go. So for the new week, we'll be having bank holidays on Monday for Euro. Tuesday there's no news. Wednesday the main event for the week, CPI for USD 12:30. Then Thursday we have PPI as well. And Friday there's news as well. So it's a pretty jam-packed week for news events. So let's head down to the charts and see what NFP week did on Euro, Pound, Gold, BTC, Bitcoin, sorry, and dollar. So this is the dollar chart for the daily time frame. What is this? Let me take this off. So this is the dollar chart for the daily time frame for dollar. Each candle represents a day of trading. So the month just opened up with this candle for June. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, and this is Friday. As you can see, there's a fair value gap right here. You can see our price traced through and traded into it again on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we had a rejection from the fair value gap. Then Thursday, traded through all these lows. Tuesday's low, Wednesday's low, and as well Monday's low. Then look at the closure for Thursday. Then we have Friday retracing into the fair value gap once again. So it was a pretty give and take week for the dollar. And let's head down to the 1 hour time frame and see how each day is delivered its price action for dollar. Excuse me. So this is dollar time frame for hourly expansions for dollar. As you can see, the week opened up with this candle on Sunday. Then we have Monday trading lower, taking out previous week's low for the week prior to this one. That was this low. Then we have Tuesday retracing into the fair value gap from the daily time frame. Then we have Wednesday trading lower, taking out Tuesday's low. Then we have Wednesday trade lower as well. This one, so we have Thursday trade lower as well, taking out Monday's low. Then we'll have Friday NFP day. So this is NFP candle. It was bullish for the dollar. We're tracing into the daily fair value gap. So this was what the dollar did for the week. So let's head down to the daily time frame and see what I'll be anticipating for CPI week. I'm really bearish on the dollar. My main targets are these lows, April lows. So if this fair value gap would hold price to go lower, we'll see from Monday and Tuesday reaching these lows, or we could see price use this fair value gap as support to go higher, taking out maybe this high or whatsoever. So that's that for the dollar. You can see how the dollar has been trading lower from previous month. So I want to see like a continuation for the second week of June, going lower. So that's that for the dollar. Man, my network is bugging, bro. Excuse me. Okay, we're back. So this is pound. This is pound USD, pound dollar. So this is like a reverse of what dollar is doing. If dollar is going lower, GU be going higher. As you can see, dollar was going lower, taking out previous lows, and for pound, we see pound going higher. So whatever the dollar is doing, pound will do the opposite of what the dollar is doing. If dollar is going lower, we want to see pound go higher. If the dollar is going higher, I want to see the pound going lower. So so we see pound trading higher on the days the dollar was trading lower. So we have pound taking out May highs. Previous month highs was taken out by pound on Thursday. So this is Monday, this Tuesday, this Wednesday, this Thursday, and this is Friday. So see Thursday taking out the previous month highs for pound. Initially, this is my target for pound. Zoom out so you see the highs. So these highs a little too clean. So that will be my target for pound. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame and see what the pound did for individual days of the week. So this is the hourly time frame for pound. This is Monday. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we have Monday consolidating but expanding higher. Then Tuesday consolidating as well. Wednesday expands higher. Thursday continuation. Then NFP day we see price going lower. Why? Dollar was bullish on Friday, right? Then we see pound trading lower on Friday as well. So what am I expecting for the pound? Since I'm leaning bearish dollar, I want to see pound found its foothold in this fair value gap, maybe trading lower into this fair value gap and going higher, or we go higher without trading into the fair value gap. So whatever price will do, we'll see. So let's head down to next currency I'm going to do. Okay, euro. So this is the euro. This euro USD. As you can see, Monday was bullish for the euro. We have Tuesday being bearish. Wednesday continuation of the bullish price action. Then Thursday was bullish as well, taking out its May highs. As you can see, it was right here. Monday takes out May highs. Then we have a retracement on Tuesday. Then when you look at this gap here was used on Wednesday to go higher. Then Thursday trades higher. Then we have Friday. Friday trades lower. So the dollar was bullish on Friday. So we see the euro trade lower. So for the new week, if the euro would want to use this fair value gap as support to go higher, we'll see. Since I'm bearish on the dollar, I want to see the euro trade higher as well, taking out its April highs. You can see its April highs is still in play, while the pound has taken out its April highs a long time ago. So that's about that for the euro. Let's head down to the hourly time frame and see what individual days did for the week. So this is Euro USD week 1 for NFP June for 2025. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, and this is Thursday, and this is Friday. We have Monday taking out previous week high coupled with May highs as well. My notations are wrong. Yeah, but that was what this thick red line is here for. Previous month highs and previous week highs. So we have Monday run up previous week highs, and we have Tuesday trading lower. We have Wednesday takes out Tuesday's low, then we'll change and start trading higher. Thursday continuation of Wednesday's move, taking out Monday's high. Then we have Friday trade lower because the dollar was bullish on Friday. So that's about that for the euro. Still bullish on the euro. Higher prices for its April highs. So we'll see what the dollar will do for the new week. So let's head down to gold. So this is gold. Gold was really bearish on Friday. So we have Monday trading higher, we have Tuesday trading lower, creating this fair value gap. Tuesday's low and Friday's high. There's a fair value gap right there. Then Wednesday was an inside day. And we have Thursday taking out Tuesday's high. Then we have Friday trading lower, taking out these lows and rebalancing this fair value gap from the daily time frame. So for gold, I do not like how this candle completely close out this fair value gap. I would have loved a test like a week from it and go higher. Since the dollar is bearish, I want to see maybe gold will use this fair value gap again as support to go higher. So we'll see. Still aiming for May highs on gold. I think gold is still bullish. I'm not done with the move yet. So that's just my opinion on what I'll be expecting for the new week. So it might be wrong, but we'll see. So this Bitcoin was really it was really bearish, even though the dollar was bullish. Even though the dollar was bearish, Bitcoin was bearish as well. This huge fair value gap was the draw on price from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's a small fair value gap right here. We have Tuesday trading higher into it, then Wednesday trading lower, then Thursday we trade lower, taking out these lows. Then we have Friday trading higher. So Friday was the corresponding day with the dollar. Since the dollar was bullish on Friday, then we'll have Friday being bullish on the dollar, on Bitcoin as well. So you see how Bitcoin offsets the relationship between GU, EU, and the dollar. How the dollar will be going up, then GU will be going lower, then Euro will be going lower, or vice versa. But Bitcoin is a bit different. We see the dollar being bullish on Friday, then Bitcoin as well was bullish on Friday. Why? Price hits this daily fair value gap, then we have a reaction from it. So my see Bitcoin resume its bullish trend and take out these May highs. I think these highs are a little too clean. So we'll see on Bitcoin for the new week. Let's go down to the daily. Let's go down to the hourly time frame and see what Bitcoin did. Yeah. Yeah. So this is Bitcoin. This is Monday. This is Tuesday. This is Wednesday and Thursday. I have the fall on Thursday, taking out previous week lows, taking out Wednesday's lows, taking out Monday's lows, Friday lows as well. Then we'll price into the daily fair value gap. Then we'll have a reaction from it on Friday. If we're feeling this hourly fair value gap, then we'll close the week. So if we want to see a continuation, want to see a retracement, then maybe use previous week low price as support to go higher, but we'll see. So that's about that for the week. So I'm thinking about starting a new series on on fair value gaps or from scratch, like making a series of videos or explaining fair value gaps, since is what I use mostly. So comment what you feel like, and if you stay this long, thank you for your time. Catch you all next weekend. Have a great week and be safe.